Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says if the system of linear equation this, so we have one equation, equation 2, equation 3 has infinitely many solutions, then the value of lambda plus u is, okay, we will calculate. So first you should recall that the condition for infinitely many solution is d equals to 0 and d1 equals to 0. Sometimes you can use d2 equals to 0, d3 equals to 0 as well sometimes, okay. Otherwise, in majority of the cases, this will help you a lot, okay. Now look at this. First I'll talk to d. So d is 1 1 1, coefficient of first equation, okay, and then 1 2 2, and then 1 3 lambda. You know that this has to be 0, and this will be 0 if, like, look at this, either you will find out the determinant and equate it with 0, or you can observe, you know that if two rows or two columns are equal, then its determinant value is 0. So look at this, these two numbers are equal, these two numbers are equal, this means 100% lambda will become 3, okay. So I will, like, this is my observation, and I'll show you also. So 1 time 2 lambda minus 6 minus 1 time lambda minus 2 plus 1 time 3 minus 2, okay. So we got things as 2 lambda minus 6 minus lambda plus 2 plus 1. So we got lambda equals to what, 3 minus 3, so 3 will come this side, so we got value of lambda as 3. I hope this thing is clear. Now I will talk to d1, okay. Look at your d1. d1 means what, the variables will be in the first line, then constants will be in first line, okay. So 5 6 u, so you got 5 6 u, and remaining two lines will remain the same. So remaining two lines is this, correct now. So if you will solve, it is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, because you got already got value of lambda, so you can use there. Now look at this, if you will observe, this is 100% equal to 0 in this case, because two columns are same, that's why the del 1 will become 0, but you won't get value of u, so this is not helping you, correct na. So what we will do, we will find out del 2, okay. Del 1 is not helping, so we will go with del 2. So it was what, 5 6 u, 5 6 u, and the first column is 1 1 1. So under these scenarios it will be helpful, okay. This thing what I have told you now, del 1 del 2 del 3 del 0, so this is the thing I was talking about. Sometimes you may get stuck, so this will help you. So 1 time 18 minus 2u minus 5 time 3 minus 2 plus 1 time u minus 6. Now 18 minus 2u minus 15 plus 10 plus u minus 6. Now minus 2u plus u, so it will become minus u, so minus u will come this side, so it will become u, okay. So this 8 18 and 10 will become 28, okay, and this thing will become 21. So 28 minus 21 is 7, so the value of u becomes 7, okay. So you got value of lambda as 3, u as 7, and you need to calculate the value of lambda plus u, that will become 10. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.